Students, welcome to our channel hanishjave.co. Thanks for subscribing our channel, and those who are not subscribed, kindly subscribe our channel. Now in a previous session, we had done lesson number 6, factorization of algebraic expression, Maharashtra Board 8th standard, practice set 6.1. I will give you the link in the description. Now here we are going to learn a new formula of a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now let us see how this formula is derived. First of all, we know a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, that we know. Now from this only we are going to derive that formula, this formula. Now we had rearranged a cube and this b cube we are written here, and these two terms we are written here. After this, from this what is common? 3ab is common. So what will remain here? A plus b. Now we had rearranged the term. We had taken this term here. So it become minus 3ab. A plus b the whole cube is as it is, and this we have taken here. It become what? Minus 3ab a plus b, and what will be left? A cube plus b cube. So this we have shifted here. Now a plus b the whole cube is there. This can be written as a plus b and a plus b the whole square. We had break down this part. So cube is written as a plus b and a plus b the whole square minus 3ab a plus b, and this we are written as it is. After this, what we will do here? Here a plus b from here this part and from this part. From this part we are taking out a plus b common. What will be left? A plus b the whole square minus 3ab. And this a cube plus b cube as it is. This a plus b has already gone out. Common. Now after this what we have done? A plus b the whole square. You can write in the formula. Which formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? And minus 3ab as it is. And this as it is. Now we have taken these terms together. A square and b square are taken together. And these like terms, these are the like terms. 2ab and minus 3ab, this we have taken together. Now 2ab minus 3ab is what? Minus ab. Correct? Like terms you subtracted. Sign of the greater number. And this as it is. So now what we got? A cube plus b cube is what? A plus b. A square. This we are written in between because it's a standard formula written in the textbook also. So we had rearranged. So we have got a square minus ab plus b square. So what is the formula? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This formula we are going to use for this exercise, practice set 6.2. Yes students, 6.2, practice at 6.2 first sum. Before this we are seeing the derivation of the formula. Now that formula we are going to use here. That is given x cube plus 64y cube. So which formula we are going to use? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This formula. Now why we are going to use this formula? Because if you see here x cube plus 64y cube, this x cube can be written as x the whole cube plus 64 can be written as what? 4 cube. Why? Because 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So we are writing 64 as 4, y as y the whole cube. Because again if you open this bracket you will get a same answer. So in this sum we are not changing any meaning of the sum. Meaning of the sum remains same, but a way of writing is different. All this will be in a form of cube. This will be in a form of cube. This will be in a form of cube. They will be a cube of some number. So this is the cube of 4, y is the cube of y. Okay, so here what is our a? Our a is x. What is our b? Our b is 4y. Why we are writing this? Many students ask me why to write formula. If you write the formula, this will be helpful for you. And if you write here a is x, so you will understand कि a के जगह पे x लगाना है, b के जगह पे 4 डालना है, that way. So now we are writing this same as it is. Now instead of a, what we are writing x. Instead of b, what we are writing 4y. Instead of a square, what we are writing x square minus a into b. Our a is x, our b is 4y plus b square. What is b? 4y. The whole square. Huh? Some students write this only 4y square, which is wrong. Don't write. It is a whole square because ये पूरा हमारा b है. 4y is whole b. Now x square is x. This as it is. 4x into 4y is what? 4xy plus 4 square is 16y square. And then we are writing this final answer. Now, if any like terms are there, then you can add, but no like terms. So this is the final answer. Moving on with the next. Second sum, 125 p cube plus q cube. Again we write the formula. A cube plus b cube is what? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b cube. Then 125 can be written as 5. P can be written as p. So we become 5p the whole cube. Because p is the cube of p and 125 is the cube of 5. Q the whole cube. Now here what is our a? 5p. What is our b? Q. So this statement is very important, this one. क्योंकि यहाँ से पता चलता है what is our a and what is our b. Now we are written same as it is. Now let us start with the formula. What is the formula? A plus b. So 5p plus q. A square. What is a square? 5p the whole square. Minus a into b means 5p into q. Plus b square मतलब q square. So this will become 25p square minus 4pq multiply and q square. We remove the bracket. So again we got 125pq plus q cube is equal to what? 5p plus q, and what we got? 25p square minus 5pq plus q square. This will be the final answer. Moving on with the third sum. Same way, 125k cube plus 27m cube. Now here we are writing the formula. Again I told you why to write a formula, so that you can understand where to substitute which value. So a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now 125 can be written as 5 because 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 is 125, and k the whole cube. 27 किसका cube है? 3 का. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we got it 4k the whole cube plus 3m the whole cube. So what is our a? Our a is 5k and our b is 3m. Now let us substitute the value. So here we have written this question. Now I substitute the value here because there is no space. So here what I written below this? A plus b. What is our a? 5k plus 3m. A plus b. Then a square. A square मतलब 5k का square minus a into b. What is our a? 5k. What is our b? 3m. Plus b square. What is our b? 3m the whole square. Now open this bracket, is become 25k square. 5 का square is what? 25 and k का square? K square. Minus 5 3s are 15 mk. Plus 3 का square is 9 m square. M का square is 9 m square. So we got the final answer. So what is our final answer now? 125k cube plus 27m cube is equal to 5k plus 3m, and in the next bracket 25k square minus 15mk plus m square. It is 9m square. Okay. Student, fourth sum, 2l square plus 432m cube. Now here 2 is not a cube of any number. In previous sum the numbers were cube of some numbers. and also 432 is not a cube of any number. Now what we will do, we will take out 2 common from here, because here 2 and this 432 is divisible by 2. So we have taken out 2 common. So what is left? M cube plus 432 divided by 2 is what? 216. M cube. Now L is a cube of what? L cube plus 216 is a cube of what? 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6, 216. So we are not changing anything. Why we have done this way? So that it will fit in the formula. Now this 2 will remain outside forever. You can't do anything for this. So this will be outside. We write the formula. A cube plus B cube is what? A plus B. A square minus AB plus B square. What is our A? Our A is L. What is our B? 6L. Now this we have written question, and 2 outside we have written this form here. Now 2 as it is. Let it be. This will become your A and this will become your B. So what is the formula? A plus B, means L plus 6M. A means L, B means L, A means L, A means L, and B means 6M. Plus B square means 6M the whole square. I have used this formula here. This will be as it is. L का square is L square. This will become 6LM plus 6 का square कितना होता है? 36. M के ऊपर square आएगा. Don't forget to write square. Okay, so what is the final answer? 2L cube plus 432 M cube is equal to 2 outside as it is. L plus 6M, other bracket M square minus 6LM plus 36 M square. So this will be our final answer. Student, fifth sum, 24A cube plus 81B cube. Now if you see, a 21 is not a cube of any number. 24 is not a cube of any number. Nor 81 is a cube of any number. So what we should do? Common, like previous sum. Now 24 and 81 goes in which table? It goes in 3 ka table. So 3 outside common. 24 divided by 3 is what? 8. So 8 3s are 24. A cube plus 81 divided by 3 is what? 27. B cube. So when you taking out common, mentally आपको divide करना है. Mentally 81 divided by 3. Automatically get the answer. Now 8 is a cube of what? 2. Yes. A cube. The whole cube will write. Plus 27 is a cube of what? 3. And B cube is a cube of B. So 3B the whole cube. We will use this formula. A cube plus B cube is what? A plus B. One bracket and A square minus AB plus B square. Now what is our A? Our A is 2A. See here. Our B is 3B. So formula देखो, 3 common. 3 will be outside only forever like previous sum. Now A plus B means 2A plus 3B. A के जगह पे 2A, B के जगह पे 3B. A square के जगह पे 2A the whole square minus, instead of A 2A, instead of B 3B, instead of B 3B the whole square. Don't forget. Then 2A plus 3B, 2 का square 4, A square, A cube का square आएगा. Don't forget. But many students again write 4A the whole square. Why? Square निकाला ना एक बार. No, wrong. Don't do this. 2 का square 4, A का square A square minus 3 2s are 6 AB plus 3 का square 9, B का square B square. And then we have written the final answer. This one. What is the final answer? 24A cube plus 81B cube is equal to 3. 2A plus 3B, 4A square minus 6AB plus 9B square. Sixth sum, y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. Y is a cube of y plus 1 is a cube of 1, so 1 as it is. But 8 is a cube of 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and y. This will become whole cube. Because if you open this bracket, again what you will get? 1 ka cube is 1, 2 ka cube is 8, and y ka cube is y cube. So meaning is one and the same. But we are writing this in order to get A and B. Formula a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b cube. What is our a? Our a is y. Yes. And what is our b? Can you judge? Yes. 1 upon 2y. Now return the question. Now fit this value here. A y plus b is 1 upon 2y. A is y square minus what is our a? Y. What is our b? 1 upon 2y. Remember. Plus what is our b? 1 upon 2y. Square is square डाला. This as it is. Y ka square is y square minus this y and this y will get cancelled. Why? Because they are in multiplication. Multiply में तो you can cancel it. 1 upon 2 plus 1 ka square is 1, 2 ka square is 4 and y ka square is y square. So here is the final answer for you. What is the final answer? Y cube plus 1 upon 8 y cube is equal to y plus 1 upon 2y. Next bracket y square minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square. 7th sum. A cube plus 8 upon a cube. Same method. A is the cube of a cube plus 8 किसका cube है? 2 का. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 we are written as 2. A cube, A the whole cube. If you open the bracket, you get the same answer. Formula a cube plus b cube is what? A plus b. A square minus ab plus b square. See, everywhere I am writing formula. It helps us a lot. So what is our a? A is a. Same as it is, right? As it is. What is our b? 2 upon a. Now formula a plus b means a plus 2 upon a. A square means a square minus what is our a? A. What is our b? 2 upon a. Plus what is our b? B is 2 upon a the whole square. Okay. So this will become a square minus this a and a will get cancelled because of multiplication. So what will be left? Minus 2 plus 2 ka square is 4. A ka square is a square. And this is your final answer now. What is the final answer? Therefore a cube plus 8 upon a cube is equal to a plus 2 upon a square minus 2 plus 4 upon a square. 8th sum students. 1 plus q cube upon 125. 1 is a cube of 1 cube. Yes. Q is a cube of q and 125 is a cube of 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So we are written q upon 5 the whole cube. Now what is our a? We have written this formula. Now you know very well. What is our a? A is 1. What is our b? Q upon 5. Now we written this question, this one. And now let us fit the formula. A means 1. B means q upon 5. A square means 1 square. Minus. What is our a? 1. What is our b? Q upon 5. Plus. What is our b? Q upon 5 the whole square. Very easy. 1 plus q upon 5. 1 ka square is 1 minus what is 1 into q? 1 into q is q upon 5 plus q ka square is q square. 5 ka square is what? 25. So this is the final answer. What is the final answer? Therefore 1 plus q cube upon 125 is equal to 1 plus q upon 5. 1 minus q upon 5 plus q square upon 25. So students, that's all for today. Today we have completed practice set 6.2. Next time we will see practice set 6.3. See you. Bye.